Klover points can expire under the app's rewards rules, so once points reach their expiration date, they may no longer be available to redeem. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your points are expiring, how to keep from losing future points, and what to do if you think your balance disappeared by mistake. If you notice that your Klover points are missing, start by opening the Rewards or Points section in the app. Check your current balance and look for any messages about expired points or recent account activity. That will tell you whether the points were redeemed, expired, or removed for another reason. Next, review Klover's current rewards terms inside the app. The program rules explain how points are earned when they expire, and whether any account activity is required to keep them active. Following those rules is the best way to avoid losing future rewards. If your points haven't expired yet, consider redeeming them instead of waiting. Holding points longer than necessary increases the chance that you'll forget about an expiration date or miss changes to the rewards program. It's also a good idea to keep your Klover app updated. App updates sometimes include changes to the rewards section, bug fixes, or clearer information about your available balance and reward history. Running the latest version helps ensure you're seeing the most accurate account information. If your points disappeared unexpectedly, check whether you recently signed into a different Klover account or changed the email address linked to your profile. Viewing the wrong account can make it appear as though your rewards have been lost when they're actually attached to another login. If everything looks correct and you believe your points expired incorrectly or were removed by mistake, contact Klover's support through the app. Include your account email, screenshots of your current points balance, and any previous screenshots or emails showing the missing points if you have them. Providing that information up front makes it easier for support to review your rewards history. While you're waiting for a response, avoid making changes to your account unless support asks you to. Keeping your account information unchanged helps the support team compare your rewards history with their records. To recap, check your rewards history, review Klover's current points policy, redeem points before they expire whenever possible, and contact support if your balance appears incorrect. Those steps will help you determine whether the points expired normally or whether your account needs a manual review. If this video helped you solve the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and app tips.